So hello guys, today I am Aadi Jain in the 5th session of studying, and today I will teach you the second part of the chapter Factors and Multiples, which is the HCF and LCM. So now let's start. Chapter HCF LCM. So in your before grades, have you studied HCF and LCM? Say me the answer in the comment box. If yes, very good. If no, I will teach you today. So see, what are common factors? First we have to understand that what are common factors. Common factors. As you all know that factors are of a number which are the exact divisors of that number. That is, the factor of any number is completely divide that number. For example, 2 is a factor of 4. Why? Because see, in 2's table 4 is coming. You can say the table 2 2's are 4. So 2 is the exact divisor of the number 4. And what is common? Common means that similar in 2 or 3 the number of numbers. So common factors mean the similar factors of the numbers. For example, you have to find the common factors of 20 and 30. So how you will find? First, you will write the factors of 20 there. 1, 2, 3 is not a factor. 4, 5, 6 is not a factor. 7, 8, 9 is not a factor, but 10 is and 20. And write the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So there is one rule that 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 5 is a common factor, 10 is a common factor. So what are the common factors? Common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Which is your answer? So the common factors between 20 to 30 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So now let's move further to HCF. Everybody know that what is HCF, but I will repeat it again. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. I taught you the common factor, and the highest common factor is known as the HCF. I will tell you how to find the HCF and LCM of the numbers. So HCF full form is highest common factor. It's very important, and you will take your notebook and write this because it's very important. So highest common factor. Take the example of 20 and 30 only. We had found the common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Which is bigger, 1, 2 or 5, 1, 2, 5 or 10? You will say that the 10 is the biggest. It's correct, the 10 is the biggest number. So their HCF would be 10 only, because we found the common factors and the highest common factor is 10. And You can check also 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2 and 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So 10 is the exact divisor of both. So this is the simple method of finding the highest common factor. The next method is a different method. It's our first method because it's the listing. It's our second method. The first method is the listing method. This method is very simpler and easy to do. So the first method, second method is second method. Second method. The second method is the prime factorization method. Prime factorization. The prime factorization method is also very easy. See, so in prime factorization, we have to find the GCD or the HCF. You will say that what is GCD? GCD full form is greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor, because we know that the common factors are that the factors are the exact divisor of that number and the greatest common divisor. It's like it is the same of HCF, just the name is changed. So don't worry about it. If you will write HCF also, it is correct. So our second method is the prime factorization. What we have to do in prime factorization? For example, you have to find the HCF of 6 and 20. So what you will do in prime factorization method? See, first step 1, break down the given numbers into their prime factors. For example, first we will take 6, 2, 3, and the common factor and the 3 is the common factor of 3 only, so 1. So our first number factors are 2 and 3. Second number factors 20, so divided by 2 10, divided by 2 5, divided by 5 1. So the factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. And if you multiply them, 2 into 3 6 and 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20. So the common factor is only 2. And see how we can find the factors. There is only 1 2 repeating in both the numbers. See, 2 and 2. There is 3, there is 2 and 5. But 2 we have taken only 1 common, because in this there is only 1 2. So our HCF will be 2 only. So our HCF would be 2. And you can check with the listing method, or you can check with any other method. See, the listing method says that the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, and the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5 and dot dot dot, and some different, because 6 is not a factor of 20. So see, 2 is only the common factor. The common factor is only 2. So the highest common factor will also be 2 only. So our HCF is 2 only. Move to the second method. Moving to the third method. The third method is the division method. Division method in division method we don't have to do anything, just we have to do division with the prime numbers. Third method is the division method. So see, division method says that we have to find the HCF with division only. We can't find with any other method if it is given only the division method. We have to find the HCF by the division method only. It's very important that in division method you only have to do division. So for example, you have to find the HCF of two numbers like 12 and 40. So how you will find? The smaller number is 12 and the bigger number is 40. As you know that in division, smaller number will become the divisor and the bigger number will become the dividend. So divide 12 by 40. It can't be. So 12 3 is a 36. 4 is the remainder. Then we will divide with the divisor only, not with this answer of 12. We have to divide it with only 12. It's very important. Only divisor, only divisor. Only divisor, not any other number. We can't do from this number, because if we do from this number it will be divisible, but this is the answer of this only, so it will not be occurred because this answer is not be, and as you know that the smaller number come first and then the bigger number in division come first. So 4 divided by 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our HCF will also be the divisor only, not a different number. It will be only the HCF. So our HCF would be 4 only. And if you check, you can check with any other method. I will do with prime factorization. You can do it with the listing method also. So in prime factorization we have to find the factors of 12 and 40. We have to divide 12 by 2, 6 by 2, 3 by 3, 1. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. And the factor of 12 is also a 4. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, and its factors are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And then divide 40. We can divide it by 2, then 20, then you can divide it by 2, 10, 2, 5, 5. So 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 1 minute, I had done wrong. Yes, it's correct. So 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, and 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So see, the common repetition is 2 into 2 only, because there is not the third time 2 repeating in this case. So HCF will equal to 2 into 2, which is equals to 4. And our HCF is correct with the listing method also, and I have done with prime factorization. So these are only the 3 methods of finding HCF. See, the first method is the listing method, the second method is the prime factorization method, and the third method is the division method. So you can write the names of the different methods like I had written these. So next moves to the LCM. So children, I am on the finding LCM with different methods. So in LCM also there are similar methods only. The first method is the listing method. Listing method. And first of all, let's understand what is LCM. Then move to the different methods. So what is LCM? The full form of LCM is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. What are multiples then? Multiples are the numbers who are the exact factor of the who are the exact number who are coming in that numbers table. For example, 4 2 is a multiple of 4 because 4 is a multiple of 2 because as you can see that 2 is a factor of 4 and there 4 is the multiple of 2 because a multiple is a number which is the factor of each of its numbers. If the factor is 2, then the multiples can be of 4, 8, 12, etc. So you can see that 2 to the 4 and it's coming in the table of 2. So LCM means the lowest common multiple. And the LCM is also known as the lowest common dividend, which is the LCD. Because see, 4 divided by 2, so 4 is the dividend and it's the lowest common dividend of 2. So lowest common dividend. The lowest common dividend. These points are very important and you have to learn these points, because if you learn these points it's very easier to solve HCM and LCM problems. So our first method of finding LCM is the listing method. So see, for example, you have to find the lowest common multiple LCM of 6 and 20 only. So how you will find the multiple of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And the multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80 and that. So see, the lowest common multiple between all of them is 60, because 16 coming is in 6 tables also and 20 table also. So our LCM would be 60. It's very easier now? Yes. So you have to find LCM like this only in listing method. Our second method. So children, our second method of finding the LCM of numbers is the prime factorization. If you have doubt in any topic, mail me or send me in the comment box. And you can also boost your knowledge with our channel Scholar Corner by Adi, and share it to everybody, because if you share this with everybody, you will got benefits and your friend will also learn how to study with tuition teachers or online teachers. So now our second method is the prime factorization method. In this also, like HCF, we have to break down the given numbers with their prime factors, not the prime multiples, the prime factors. Prime factors, not the prime multiples, because there are some prime prime multiples of some number only. So we have to only do with the prime factors. In every method we have to do with prime factors only, not the prime multiples or any different thing. So now, for example, you have to find the LCM of 6 and 8 and 12. So how you will find? First, 6 is equal to which factor? 6 is equal to 2 and then it's 3, so 2 into 3. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 12 will equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So see, there was the maximum time of 2 appearing was 2 into 2 into 2. The maximum time of 3 appearing is 1 time. So our LCM would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So our LCM would be 24, because 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 3 is 24. So our LCM would be 24, and it's correct if you check with different method, which is the listing method. So in listing method, what we have to list? First the factors, multiple, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and the 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and then 12, 24, 36, 48 then. So see, the common multiple is the 24 and the lowest multiple is also the 24. So our LCM would be 24 and there also our LCM is 24. So our answer is correct. So the last method is the division method. In division method also we have to find the LCM with division. So in division method, how you will find the LCM? For example, you have to find the LCM of 6, 12 and 24. So how you will find? You will make a table. So in that you will write all the numbers in one line. In HCF we are writing the different factors of these numbers, because we have to find the highest common factor, not the lowest multiple. So we will divide it by 2, 3, 6 and 12. We can divide it by 2 again, 3, 3 and 6. We can divide it by 3 first, then 1 and 3. 2, then we can divide it by 2. So the division method says this, that we have to divide all the numbers in one line only, not in different methods. We have to just write then LCM is equal to 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 to the 24. So our LCM would be 24 and the LCM is 24. And if we will check, then with the prime factorization method, I will do it and see this. See, the prime factorization method says what? It says what? The prime factorization method says that first we have to write the Okay. So in prime factorization method, we have to write the prime factors, and as you know that we have to first write the maximum number of times a number appearing. So first write the factors of it. First 6 is equal to 2 into 3, 12 is Sorry. Yes, I am writing correct.
You are writing wrong.
Sorry, it's a glitch. So see, the maximum number of times 2 is appearing is 3 times. And the maximum number of 3 appearing is 1 time. So LCM would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So our LCM is 24. Hence the LCM given is correct. And sorry guys if there is any glitch. I will recommend it and make it very easier to solve these questions on the board. So this is all the methods of the HCF and finding HCF and LCM. First, of HCF, the highest common factor, full form, which is the list. First method is listing method, in which we have to list all the factors and then we have to write the common factor, and in it we have to find the highest common factor. Second method, prime factorization method, in which we have to divide a number with its common factors. Then in the third, division method, we have to divide a number only with the divisor, and we have to write the HCF also with the divisor. In LCM, full form is the lowest common multiple, and the first method is the listing method. I will highlight it. And in the listing method, we have to list all the multiples, then the lowest common multiple. And the second method is the prime factorization method, in which we have only write two prime factors and then the maximum time of the same number appearing in them. Then in the last third method, division method, we have to divide the number with the common factor. All the number we have to divide with the same common factor. So like this we have to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So now let's solve some examples. And I am taking the reference of the Scenic School book of grade 6 and the composite maths of grade 6. So you can also purchase it and learn many more things. So first example. Find the greatest number. What do you think? What is the greatest number? Greatest number. From your side, what is the greatest number? Someone will say that it's a HCF. Yes, the greatest number is HCF, because a greatest number means that highest, and highest means that the HCF would be taken. So greatest number which will divide 200 and 320. 200 and 320 means we have to find the HCF of 200 and 320. So hence we have to find the HCF of 200 and 320. So now which method you will choose? First, can we choose the listing method? Okay. So first we will choose the listing method. Listing method says first listing method. Listing method. So first with this method, what we have to do? First we have to write the common factors. Oh, the number is very big. How can we write the common factors of it? So don't write the common factors and don't do with the listing method. We will do it with another method. We have different methods. So we will do it by the second method, which is a prime factorization. I am writing prime factorization as PF, which means prime factorization. So with prime factorization, what we have to do? Yes, you are saying correct, that we have to divide the number with the with the prime number. 200, 200, 250, 225, 5, 5, 5. So 200 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So see, 2 to the 2 2 2 into means 8, 8 5s are 40, 45s are 200. So it's correct. 200, and when we'll divide 320 by 2, 160 by 2, 80 by 2, 40 by 2, 20 by 2, 10 by 2, 5 by 5, 1. So 320 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 2 into 5. So see, 2 to the 2 into 2 means 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, and 32 into 2 64, 64 into 5 means that 64 into 10 is equal to 640, and half of it is equal to 320. So it's also correct. Then see the common number appearing in both. See, 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. See, I will do with this marker, then you can understand. 2 into 5, then there and there 2 into 5. So our HCF would be, HCF is equal to then 2 into 5, and 2 into 5 is equal to 40. Yes, what a calculation! You are the calculation master. Very good. So our HCF is 40, and if you have to check, you will check and give me the correct explanation that I have done it wrong or correct in the comment box or Gmail me. So now second example of HCF. It's the last example of HCF. Then we will move further on to LCM examples. Find the HCF of 26 and 455. Oh, how can we do it with the prime factorization method? Because 455 is a very big number. So how can we do 455 factors? So we can do it by the division method. It's so easy. 26 by 455 means that 455 is divided by 26. 26 ones are 26. So 19, 195, and we can do it by 7. So 17, 182, 13, and then 13 will divide the divisor only. 13 to the 26. Nice. So our LCM. So our HCF would be which number? This or this? You will say this. Yes, what a nice. You are nice. You know everything. Very good. So our HCF is 13. And to check this, you will give me the answer that if it is correct or wrong in the comment box. I am highlighting the answer. Check your answer if you have done it correct or wrong. And the check also that you have to check in the comment box and where. Then our LCM examples. LCM example number 1. The first example of LCM is find the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. Very easy. First write the factors. We will do it by listing method. Listing method. You want to do with any method you can do, but in the paper, if it's given that you have to write with this method only, then particular at that method only. Because ma'am can deduct marks of this. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and etc. and 12 is equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. 1 minute, you have to write the full table. You know na? Yes. 56, then 56, 64, until you will do it once again because it's looking very dirty, and we will do it once again. So see what we have to do. First, write the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 56, 48, 64, 72 and 80. These are the multiples of 80. Well, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. I'm sorry, 84 it will be. 84, 96, 108, 120. And the last 15, 15, 30, 45, 60 and etc. So see, 60, 60, 65, 70, 75. Oops. Children, you are not seeing kya? See, I am writing wrong. Check it. Oh no God, the common factor is not coming, so we can't do it with the listing method. So the listing method will be wrong, so we will have to do with different method. Do you know, children, the listing method is only used for the smaller numbers. You can do it with you can't do it with the bigger numbers, so we will do it by division method. Don't do it by listing method, you can do it by different method. Divided by 2, 4, 6, 15, because 15 is not a perfect factor of 2. Sorry children. 1, 1, and 5. So our LCM would be this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 3 is 24. 24 5 is 120. So our LCM would be 120. And in the table, how can we do with 120? Can you expect we have to make the table till 120? So our LCM is 120. So today the LCM and HCF is over, but we will do some new important rules of HCF and LCM. So see children, I will talk about the very important rules of HCF and LCM. So important rules. IMP means important rules. You will note it in your rough notebook or diary which you have, because these rules are very important. The first rule. Do you know ratio? Yes, I taught in the before class that what is ratio? It's a comparison by division or subtraction, because repeated subtraction is division. But not come to that topic, we are on HCF and LCM. So now do HCF and LCM only. See, if two numbers are in the ratio x is to y, then their HCF would be any variable. We will take it as z. Then their LCM would be what? X into y into z. I will tell you with the help of examples, and the two numbers are then xz and yz. Xz and yz are the two numbers. How? I will tell. For example, you have taken 6 is to 31, because if you take any any ratio which can be simplified, we have to take first, we have to simplify that, and then we have to find the HCF and LCM. So these both are two numbers. Their HCF would be 6 divided by 31. So minus 30, 5 the 1 divided by 6 is equal to 6. So our HCF is 1. You will say to me, how sir 1 is the HCF? So I will tell you, children, that HCF of every number should be 1 if there is not bigger than any number than 1 of a common factor, all the HCF. How? See, 1 is the common factor of all numbers. See, in 2 also 1 coming, 3 also 1 is coming, 4 also 1 is coming. In every number 1 is a common factor. So 1 is the HCF, and then what you have to find? The LCM. So LCM would equal be to x, y, z, and x, y are equals to 6 into 31, and their z is equal to 1 because the HCF 1. So 6 into 31, you can do it. 31 into 6, 60 is the ADM. The 186 is their LCM because into 1, any number into 1 is same. So their LCM is equal to 186. And what are the numbers? We have to find the numbers also, now. It is the ratio, not the numbers. If these are the numbers, then we have to find the ratio. But it is not in your course, and this is also additional. If you will study this, you in higher grades you can do it very easily. So this 6 is to 31, and our rule is xz. The numbers are xz or yz. Then x is equal to how much? 6, and z is equal to 1. So our first number is 6, and yz 31 into 1. 31 into 1, 31 only. So our numbers are 6 and 31. You will think that the ratios and the numbers are the same. Why? Because their HCF is 1 only, and any number into 1 is equal to the number itself. And if their HCF will be 2, then the numbers are different. Then the numbers would be 12 and 62. So we have to solve these type of questions like this. You can take a screenshot. I am taking it for 5 seconds. Done. So you have taken a screenshot or written this. Our second and the last point, because our second point, which is a very important point, that if the numbers are A and B, then A into B will equal be to HCF into LCM. How? What an idea! See, if we take two numbers as 2 and 3, so 2 into 3, and their HCF 1 only, and their LCM will equal to 2 into 3, 6. So 1 into 6, 6, and 2 into 3, 6. So 6 is equal to 6, and it's the correct statement saying. So if two numbers you are given and you have to find the product and the LCM and HCF, you can find it very easily, and the product of HCF and LCM you can also find very easily. So now last and the final point, very important point. If you have to find any HCF or LCM, so see, the greatest number which divides the number as x and y, we will take the number as x and y, then and leaving and z, leaving the remainder a or in each case a in each case, then what will happen to the HCF? So first, if we have to find the HCF, it will equal be to what? X minus a, then into y minus a, because leaving the remainder. And when you do 36 divided by any number leaving the remainder 2, so what? You will subtract it and it will get 34. So the greatest number which divides 36 is 34, leaving the remainder of 2. Now like this only you will do this also. So HCF would be x into a, x minus a, into y minus a, into z minus a. It's very simple to learn this and write it in your notebook, because if you can't learn, you will Gmail me or say me in the comment box. So and for the LCM, the least number which divides x, y and z, x, y and z leaves the remainder a, b and c. So respectively, a will go to x, b will go to y and c will go to z. So this is the pair coming because it's written respectively, and respectively means order, order wise. So see, what will be the LCM then? We know that the LCM is the lowest common multiple of all. How can we find the lowest common multiple? See, x, y, z, bracket closed, minus k. What is k? I will tell you. Where k is equal to bracket x minus a, which is equal to y minus b. Because see, if 2 minus 1 is given and there is 3 minus 2 is given, so 1, 1, it's equal. And if you do with any number, it will come like this only. So y minus b, which is equal to z minus c. So if you do x minus a, it will also be same. Y minus b, it will also be same. So this is our method. And if we do with this example, of the first one we had given the example, but this one is very hard, so I will give you the example. If the x is 2, y is 3 and z is 4, 3 consecutive numbers. So see, and leave the remainder. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. So see, what will happen? LCM would equal be to x, y, z, 2, 3, 4 minus what is k? We don't know, which is equal to x minus a, 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, which is equal to, and which is equal to minus 3. 1 is equal to 1. So minus 1 also, and the LCM of 2, 3 and 4 will equal be to 2 into 3, 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. So LCM will equal be to 12. It's very easy to solve. Okay. And no minus 1 also. So the LCM would be 11. So thanks guys, and today's session is